Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing a watering can to celebrate spring. So let's get started. To draw this cute watering can, let's first start by drawing an angle line. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to go down at an angle. And then I'm going to come across, say about this wide, and go ahead and do the same thing. I'm just trying to match my other angle as best as possible. So something like that, and then let's go ahead and bring it down. And as always, this is just meant to inspire you. There's so many different shapes of watering cans, so you can definitely do whatever you like. I'm just going to do a basic one today, so let's say about right there, and then I'm going to round it off for the bottom. And then just connect it with a soft curve for the bottom. There. Okay, so now that I have that, and these two lines are pretty much at the same height, I'm going to go ahead and let's just start right here with the spout. So let's say about, I'm just going to go ahead and say about right here. I'm just going to bring down angle line. And come right back here, about here, and draw another one. So it's thicker on this side. And then right here is where we're going to draw the head. So just kind of at this angle, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve going on both sides. So about there, and then connect it with a soft curve. There. And then of course we have a handle we need to draw, so let's come about right here. Just a very basic, nice and round handle. So just bring this down all the way to say about right here, and then just go ahead and thicken it up. There. Okay, so that is very much for your basic watering can. And then let's fill this top part up. I thought it'd be really cute instead of just closing it up to put some flowers in here. So if you want to do that, I'm just gonna not have to draw this line. I'm just gonna cover it with flowers. So let's say about right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and start with a circle, and I'll just draw my first flower. It's very basic. Maybe just like 5 petals. So 1, and then maybe another one here. And let's see, another one maybe here. And then let's tuck some in here. You just want to create this cute mound of flowers. And let's see, one more here. There. And you know what, it looks like I need to put one here. It looks empty, right? So let's see here. Would that look weird if I put one here? Okay, just punch the petal. There's something just to tuck it in and put it, fill up that space, and then we can put in some leaves, maybe popping out here and there. There. So it's something like that, just to fill up this top space. Okay, so there. And then from there, let's go ahead and bring it to life. So let's come about, let's say right here, I'm going to put in 2 big circles for some draw so cute eyes. Now another one right across, about this much. There. Okay, so now that I have my 2 circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. And then let's come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then of course a sweet smile right in between. And cap it off. There. And of course you can decorate your can however you like, but today I think I'll just add a heart right here in the center. So I'm just going to give myself these 2 points and put in this nice big heart right here. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this watering can to celebrate spring. I really hope this inspires you and that I helped you draw this fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.